Good morning, guys. Today we are going to discuss about preparation of alcohols. So, alcohols can be prepared from alkyl halide. So, when the alkyl halide is heated with the aqueous dilute sodium hydroxide, it gives alcohols. Primary alkyl halide undergoes SN2 mechanism. Tertiary alkyl halide undergoes SN1 mechanism. Here, primary alkyl halide, 1 degree alkyl halide undergoes SN2 reactions. A secondary and a tertiary alkyl halide undergo SN1 mechanism or SN1 reactions. So you know about SN1 and SN2 reactions or mechanism you studied in 11th standard. It is nothing but nucleophilic substitution reactions. Here SN2 means nucleophilic substitution bimolecular reaction. SN2 means nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution bimolecular. SN2 means nucleophilic substitution bimolecular reaction. SN1 means nucleophilic substitution unimolecular reaction. SN1 means nucleophilic substitution unimolecular reaction or mechanism. Here, what is a nucleophile? The species having negative charges. You also studied in 11th standard what is electrophile, what is nucleophiles. Here, the OH minus, Cn minus, F minus, Cl minus, Br minus, these are nucleophiles which it contains electron rich. The nucleophiles are nucleophiles. Nucleophiles are nucleophilic. It means it allows nucleus. These species contain negative charge. It attacks the nucleus. Nucleus containing positive charge. These are the nucleophiles. So do you understand, student? Here in the SN1, SN2, nothing but it is a nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay. Here, the preparation of alcohol from alkyl halides follows nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here, one nucleophile substitute by another nucleophile. So this reaction is called a nucleophilic substitution reactions. So we can prepare alcohol from alkyl halide. Here, primary alkyl halide undergo SN2 mechanism. Secondary and tertiary alkyl halide undergoes SN1 mechanism. Here we are taking alkyl halide. This alkyl halide, we are taking the alkyl halide here RX. Alkyl halide, in general we are taking alkyl halide. It is heated with the aqueous dilute sodium hydroxide. It gives alcohol. Here OH minus is the nucleophile. Okay, this OH minus replaced this halide ions. It gives ROH plus NaX. This is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here, one nucleophile replaces the another nucleophile. So we can say this is the nucleophilic substitution reactions. So let me explain with an examples. Here we are taking, if we are taking methyl chloride, CH3Cl plus it is heated with the sodium hydroxide. It is a dilute aqueous sodium hydroxide. When we heat this here, this nucleophile OH is replaced the halide ion chloride ions. It gives CH3OH plus NaCl. This is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here the alcohol we can prepare from alkyl halide. So do you understand, student? Here the primary alkyl halide undergo SN2 mechanism or SN2 reactions. Secondary and tertiary alkyl halide undergoes SN1 mechanism. Here SN1 and SN2 indicate the rate of the reactions. SN2 means the rate of the reaction depends on the both the substrate. Substrate means reactant. SN2 reaction, the rate of the reaction is 2. SN1 reaction, the rate of the reaction is 1. Here the rate of the reactions depends on the concentration of one substrate only. Concentration of one substrate only. SN2 mechanism is a single step mechanism. SN1 mechanism is a two-step mechanism. So all the things you studied in 11th standard in haloalkanes and haloarenes. So do you understand, student? So we can prepare alcohol from alkyl halide. So we are taking the alkyl halide. It is heated with the dilute aqueous sodium hydroxide. It gives alcohols. Here nucleophilic substitution takes place. Nucleophilic substitution takes place.